video, I'm going to simulate distance vector routing in Packet Tracer with multiple routers. First of all, what is meant by distance vector routing? Distance vector routing is a dynamic routing protocol used by routers to store information about the network with the immediate neighbors. It consists of a distance vector table, which consists of three fields. First one is the destination, distance circles, then the next home. It determines the best path to a destination based on the distance and direction in which destination lies. Then we could move on the simulation process. Here um, first in the Cisco packet, we are using Cisco Packet Tracer for simulating the distance vector routing. Here first we add three PCs, PC0, PC1, and PC2. Yeah, uh, we could run by using this icon. Just here click and just start. Yeah, we could remove that. Then first we add three pieces, and then we add three switches, switch 0, switch 1, switch 2, and then we add three routers, router 0, router 1, router 2. And then we are providing the connections between the router, switch, and the PC. By using this icon, here by clicking here, we could provide the connections between here, and here. Then that's all. Then we provide the IP address to the PCs, to all the models. uh, to all set of components, that is first we go to PC0, here IP configuration. Here we provide the IP address, then the subnet mask, and then the default gateway for PC0. And then for PC1, similar to the PC0, here we are adding the IP address and then subnet mask and default gateway. Then in the PC2 also we are adding similar of that of PC4 and PC1. Then then we are providing the IP. Here. Then we are going to route it and here fast Ethernet, and we are providing the IP address and subnet mask. And here the port status is on. Just click here. And then in the router 2, also same as that of router 0. I'm going to here providing the IP address. Yeah. And then the subnet mask, and then the port is set to on. Similar as that of port 0 and router 0 and router 1 to the router 2. Yeah. Here the IP address and subnet mask are given, and the port status is on. Okay. Then then go to router 0, and in the serial 2, we are providing the IP address and subnet mask, and the clock rate is set to 64,000, and it is on the port status is turned on. Then to the router 1, and in the serial 2, here the IP address and subnet mask values are given, and the port status is set to on. This here. And then move on to the router 1 once more and set serial 3. Serial 3, the IP address is given and is provided, and subnet is subnet mask is inserted. Then the clock rate is set to 64,000. Here, 64. And the port status is set to on. Then we are moving on to the router 2. In router 2, we are setting the serial 3, similar to that of router 1. And then in serial 2, the IP address and subnet mask is just given. And yeah, it is set. Then we are moving on to router 0 once more, and in the RIP, that is, the IP address are added in the vector routing, RIP for router 0. Here, the IP address are added. Then, then the IP address is added in the router to, yeah, we have the, it is added. Similar to that of also router 1 also here RIP, and the IP address are added. And the router 2, so it is added. Uh, then it is also set. Then we need to provide the data or packet. That is our message here PC02, PC2. We have just given that. And then we could move on to the simulation. Then just click here. It starts moving the packet from PC0 to switch 0 and to the router 0 and then to router 1. We could pause here using this icon by clicking here. Then it is moving, then the packet is moving to router 2 and then to router and then to switch 2, then to PC2 here. Then it will return back to PC0. Yeah, router 2, router 1, router 0, switch 0, and then the PC0. It is. Therefore, it could get all the other informations about the routers and the distance routing table, distance vector routing, table is here. It is simulated using Cisco Packet Tracer. Then by saying these words, I am concluding. Thank you.